Alright guys, so I am here with a new video with the Kiss Falscara kit. I have never tried this before. I am not typically aware of false lashes, but I wouldn't mind having some enhanced lashes. So I figured I would try this out. It's very similar to what I've seen on Instagram, which is the Lashify lash extension kit, or like there's a couple brands out there like that. But yeah, the idea is that you put the lashes underneath as opposed to over, which I'm going to zoom you in and kind of talk to you about why I'm excited about this product with the shape of my eye and also my inexperience. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, my name is Samantha. I'm a mom of 3 and I work full-time and I'm a makeup enthusiast. And yeah, keep watching. We're gonna zoom in. So as you can see, these are my eyes and they are downturned on the outside, which sometimes I have a little trouble with false lashes that they want to kind of come up a little bit, and I'm not very good at a cat eye, so it's not like I can do a cat eye and kind of get away with it. Also, I have kind of, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera, my lid actually creases a little and hangs over on my lash line. So even sometimes when I do liner, I will still see a gap. I almost have to lift the lash or make sure I do a really good job on my tight line. Otherwise, you will see that. So I'm just gonna try to show you what I'm talking about. So right above my lash line, I'm raising my eyebrow and you can see I still have a significant amount of skin right above my lash line. So it can be quite difficult if I already have an eye look done and then I want to put a lash on to actually get it close to my lashes and then have it to not somehow become visible or be uncomfortable because it's in a spot that just doesn't feel natural. The idea behind this Kiss Lash Kit is that, I can show you the little photos here, is that you're putting them underneath your lash. So yeah, I'm excited to see if this is going to actually work. So if you want to see me struggle, let's get started. All right, I'm really pumped up. So I wanted to try this a while ago and I actually accidentally purchased like just the individual lashes and not realizing it didn't come with the bond. So I just figured I would buy this set because it has like the whole thing going on with the little tool as well, and then I have those other lashes for like refilling anything or you know, whatever. So the idea is that we're gonna first go in with the bond side. So this is like kind of like a mascara tube. I don't know if, okay, mascara tube, and then one side, this side is the bond and then this side is the seal. So we're gonna go in with the bond first, then try to attach some of these lashes and then coat it with the seal. So, oh Jesus, I'm slightly nervous, but we're gonna see if we can do this. Let's do the left eye first. The spoolie on this is really tiny. You can see that. And okay. So I'm going to start with the inner one when I put them on. So we're gonna Alright, so the bond is on my eye. Now we're going to take this little tool and we're grabbing the lash like this, and we're going to be bringing it super close under the lash. Okay, I have the second one. They are a lot longer than I'm used to seeing my lashes, but it looks cool. It's super easy so far. We're putting on the third one. Oh, that one I didn't quite get it positioned the way I would like. Oh, there seems to be a little bit of wiggle room with timing. Okay, these are kind of dramatic, but I'm not mad at it. This is going to be the fourth one. I feel like it is starting to dry a little, the bond, so I'm gonna just brush a little bit more. Okay. I wasn't sure I was going to use all 5, but I feel like it will look nice, so oh, so that's how they look. Okay, I think I got that to unclop. So now I'm gonna take the seal side. All right, the sealant side, which is this white brush, and seal it, I guess. So holy smokes, I think that looks really pretty, and they're so much easier than putting on false lashes. These are a little bit longer and dramatic than I normally would go with a lash, but I'm really excited if they coming out with a lot of styles. I think this is really pretty. Yeah, that is pretty amazing. So we're gonna do the other side. The only thing is like this corner, but again, like I have downturned eyes, so it was just hard to get in, but I'm happy. Like you can't really tell, I don't think, unless you're like coming in super close. So yeah, we're gonna do the other side now. Holy smokes, like it looks so nice. And I'm actually gonna do like half this side first, because I think by the end I was applying more, and I don't want to put too much of that bonding stuff because I really don't know how hard it's gonna be to take it out. So All right, guys. So these are the Kiss Falscara lash extensions. They have a little dusty white stuff because the sealant is white, but I'm assuming it will, you know, dry clear eventually. But I think this looks really, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. They were so easy. They're comfortable on the eyes, and they're easier than putting on false lashes, and hopefully they last longer. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down, and I won't do another one like this. But yeah, until next time, thank you guys for watching, and love you guys. Bye.